Hi there and welcome to another NID update. This one's about adding images to an incident. You could either add them while you're creating an incident, or here we're just going to go back and edit an incident. We're going to select this one from Snow Planet, which is just a draft, and we're going to scroll down, and down here we're going to find that we can add a photo. So we're going to click on Add Photo, and it may look a little bit different on Apple or iOS. This is an Android phone, but I'm sure you'll be able to find your way around. We're going to choose our file first. And here we can either take a photo. So if I select camera, there's my sock. I could take a photo, or we can choose another file. We're going to take something out of here, out of my phone here, from some snippet remarks, which is looking pretty good. And we're going to add a title. And we're going to upload. Hopefully you guys find this useful for adding additional images around certain types of incidents, so you get some more information about it. And here you can see that it has now added Cool Snow to the incident. From here, from the little three-dotted menu on the right-hand side, you can open that up. You can edit the title, or let's say you wanted to get rid of this image, you can also delete it. So that's how you add an image to an incident. Thanks very much.